carry that stuff with you.
Not this one, I didn't. Wisconsin Lockman here. We're at a construction zone in East Columbia Street in Chippewa. And I got a solid dime hit. And I pulled up a, looks like a dime, but I haven't quite looked at it yet, so. $61 Rosie. So there's a few of us here. We'll be here for a while. If we get anything, we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. Hey gang, Wisconsin Lockman again. I got a solid dime hit, and I dug it up. Kind of a design. I'm not sure. So I'll clean it up and I'll post it later on. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. You got an Indian? Hi gang, Wisconsin Lockman here. What's that? 1894. Shane Woolley just got an Indian head with a full Liberty over on that side of the construction zone, and I just pulled out a silver. I don't know. A barber. I don't want to rub it too much. Can't read it. Year? 1907. First barber of the year. So we'll be here for a while. We get anything, we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.